What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Get ready for the latest tech reviews.
We predicted NES coin would explode. It was at a 40K market cap, and today it's 56K. It still has a very great future.
On my previous call, I predicted NES coin would explode. Today, it gained 3.5x market cap. If you missed it, buy now. Its future is still very bright.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In my previous video, I explained about Nasqueen when its market cap at those time was 40K, and right now it's gained the market cap of 56.4K, which means it increased 3.5 x profit. The holders who are holding this queen, they already make this profit. So still it has a very bright future. It's accurate, and a very bright future queen still has a lots of potential to explode. It's available on swap, it's available on Jupiter exchange, and Nas queen future is very futuristic and a very bright future queen. And right now still is accumulation phase, so don't miss this chance. I will explain about details in this video again to make all of your doubts clear that this queen has a real potential for you guys. Talking about a project that is set to climb fast and already attracting investor attention even in a bearish market, a meme queen coming straight from Switzerland, built with transparency, discipline, and unique identity that simply cannot be copied. This is NAS 987, the Swiss meme queen entering the global market with clear attention to dominate. I will explain the 8th step. You have to hear this step carefully, and I hope after hearing this you will get everything clear and you will get a chance to buy this NAS. Number one, NAS is simple. NAS concept is simple, powerful. NAS is not trying to reinvent blockchain. NAS is not pretending to fake or to offer fake utility. NAS is selling stories to put investors to sleep. NAS is self-aware. NAS is pure meme, giving 100% speculation, 0% shame. Just like a Swiss luxury watch, NAS turns something useless into something highly desirable. Watch does not change your life, but still you want it. NAS follow the same logic: useless by nature, desirable by design, and that is exactly what fuel its speculative potential. The number two, what makes NAS different in a market full of scams, fake promises, and anonymous developers? NAS does the same exact opposite. Nothing is hidden, everything is transparent. NAS total supply is nearly a billion, and it's 70% is liquidity locked, 20% team allocation, equally split, 10% for marketing publicity announced, and no hidden function, no mint but bottom, no rug possible, fully docs team, no taxes, no blacklist, no whitelist. For a meme queen, this level of honesty is shocking, and that is exactly why investors are starting to pay serious attention. Number three, the team behind NAS. NAS is not run by anonymous profiles or despairing founders. This is led by a real, visible, and active founding team. Dome founder, technical lead vision, architecture, and marketing. Paco founder, marketing led and global growth, supporting them to early investors who made the launch possible. Wide and Lewis. When you invest in a meme coin, that are not just buying a token, you are betting on human behind it, and yes, those humans are real, and present and fully accountable. And the number four, for why US investors are starting to follow NAS. US investors look for three things: momentum, branding, and transparency. NAS has all three: a strong and instantly recognizable Swiss brand, a unique and iconic mascot, total transparency, a fully doxed and active team, organic growth, not artificial hype, docked liquidity, a memorable supply, daily communication, marketing already launched in USA, Japan, Dubai, and Emirates. NAS is not playing the category of 24 hours disposable shitcoins. NAS is building itself like a global brand. And the number five, project updates. The project is accelerating fast, rising visibility on DEX screener, DEX tools, and Mobi screeners. Sol scan integration in process. US marketing campaigns already underway. Discussion with many serious influencer. Rapid community growth on X and Telegram. Strong and evolving visual branding. Nest does not need to promise anything. Nest shows the way. Number six, the Nest investment thesis. If Nest is getting so much traction in the US and the global, the reason is simple: it checks every box. Investors carefully about real team, lock liquidity, strong Swiss identity, total transparency, no gimps, mix pure assumed and speculation. In the world of meme technology does not create value, perception does. And the number seven, expanded vision from the white paper. The next white paper makes something very clear. The crypto market is an economy anomaly asset with no real utility, regulatory reach valuation higher than a century old corporation. NAS pushes this logic to extreme. No utility, no governance, no product, just a token that exists to be speculated on, traded, and observed. NAS referenced historic bubbles from the tulip mania to dot-com boom and the behavior psychologically of Kahneman and Tversky. If Doge is a meme queen, Pepe is a joke, Nas is ultimate parody. A shit queen fully aware of being one, built as a raw speculative experiment. And the number 8, roadmap and CEX ambition. NAS is not stopping here. The roadmap is simply but extremely ambitious. DEX launch in 2025. Global community expansion in Q4 2025. First secondary CEX listing in early stage 2026. Multiple major exchanges discussions already underway. Public roadmap pointing to the CEX listing in early 2026. And yes, NAS is openly target a potential Binance listing by mid 26. Impossible, not at all. Others have achieved it with less branding, less transparency, and less structure. Why